record. What is up, you guys? Welcome back into another video. Today I am here with another video, and today, guys, I have bad news. Today, actually, like 2 days ago, me and Jaden were talking. Both of us had a fight, and I wanted to be back to friends because because I need to tell you guys the truth that he called me a crybaby because I keep telling everyone a crybaby, and I cry so much. Like, plus not in the video because something bad happens. I cry because my meetings are very soft for some reason. At least you guys know that. But guys, I got to do haircuts. So guys, I need to tell you that my Roblox account, it got banned. I don't know why it got banned, but it's banned for 3 days, so I have to wait so I have to wait one more day because 2 days I waited, and I hope I get it back from Roblox. I keep messaging him for me to get it back. So Roblox, if you're watching this, or my friends, thank you for my friends helping me, and Roblox, please give me the account back. I really need it back because I have so much things to record with on it. I've been doing so many videos on the Shark Gaming on it. So Roblox, please give me the account back with all my items in it, because I need to record with it. I'm not gonna sign up another account because this is the account I really need, and this is the account I really want to record with, and this is the best account that I ever had. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys. Have a good day.